Welcome, fellow Mac users, ready to dive into some troubleshooting magic. How to allow guest users on your Mac. Do you often find yourself needing to share your Mac with friends or family, but don't want to create permanent user accounts for them? Setting up a guest account on your Mac can be a game changer, offering a seamless and secure way for temporary users to access your device. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process for how to allow guest users on your Mac. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make your Mac more accessible to guests while keeping your data safe. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of guest user access on your Mac. Start by clicking on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, locate and click on Users and Groups. Now, you'll see a list of user accounts on your Mac. Look for the Guest User option. Click on the lock icon at the bottom left, and then enter your password. Click on the Unlock button. Click on the guest user from the left panel to select it. Here, make sure to check the box that says Allow guests to log in to this computer. Similarly, if you wish to grant guest users access to shared folders, then select the checkbox of Allow guest users to connect to shared folders. Once you've made your desired selections, simply close the window. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled guest user access on your Mac. To disable the guest account in the future, just follow the same steps and uncheck the box for allowing guests to log in. Please like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips on Mac. Thanks for watching, Mac lovers!